The former Finance Minister Tendai Biti has launched a scathing attack on the recently completed Trabablas interchange, branding it a major crime scene and accusing government-linked cartels of grand-scale corruption and looting of public funds. Sarabina mashoko oyatogwa nevakomana vakamboshanda mumaofisi vana Biti vanozikanwa as the former finance minister oyachiti aiwa Trabablas vakomana apo pakanyasa kugarwa aiwa nevanhu vari corrupt. Subscribe like or turn the bell icon. Tivina panapa mupindura nendrambira achiti according to the government, the project was completed at a reported cost of 88 million. A figure Biti argues is grossly inflated and far above regional standards, said Biti. The interchange is a shoddy, vulgar showbrick of raw looting and grandiose theft of public funds. The 88 million is way out of line with comparative regional projects that have cost significantly less. For instance, South Africa's Mount Egmont project, the biggest in Africa, which cost 70 million. Biti claims the project was never subjected to an open international tender, but was instead handed to a local cartel closely aligned with the ruling elite. He accuses the group of dominating lucrative public contracts across various sectors since 2017, including agriculture, mining, fuel, banking, healthcare, and infrastructure. According to Biti, there are unresolved questions surrounding the financing structure of the project. While the government claims the interchange was self-funded, primarily through $65 million from project advisor DNMZ and another 26 million from the construction consortium, Biti alleges treasury support and use of Zimbabwe's special drawing rights (SDR) played a role. Biti's comments add to growing public scrutiny over government spending amid ongoing economic challenges and allegations of elite enrichment. Domash kwantagwa na Biti achiyapangwa ina achita aiwa itambo mashanda maofisi muzvinozorodza kuti pane maquestions akawanda asati ava solutions kana maanswers apindurwa. Kuri kuno kwakunzi aiwa this interchange kusamitwa kwakainoitiwa kweelite with the ruling party ZANU-PF zvinozorodza kuti aiwa pane corruption yanya yakaitika. Tudze mafungiro enyu mutodiwa pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pabvina comment section metis mafungiro enyu. Subscribe or like, just on the bell icon.